This is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guide. Today I'll be talking about how to cancel your Amazon Prime membership in 2024. If this video helps, please subscribe and like the video, and let's get started. I'm on the Amazon page. What you want to do is in the upper right corner, select Hello, your name, accounts, and list, and then go down to Prime membership. By the way, you can do this on the phone too, but this is the desktop version in a browser. On the right side of the screen, you'll see Manage Membership, Update, Cancel, and More. So select that, and then go to End Membership. And by the way, what's going to happen here is Amazon is going to throw up all these things in your face to try to convince you not to cancel. For instance, they're saying, hey, look at all these great benefits that you're getting. I'm just going to ignore that. I'm going to continue to cancel. And then it will show the page that ends it all. And basically, you have a couple different options. You can cancel on renewal, which might be a good option if you want to keep it through the end of the period, or you can cancel today. So I'm going to get a refund if I do it today. But when you're ready to do it, just click End Membership Now, and you will be done. If this video helped out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Also, be sure to subscribe on YouTube. And for more information, check the links in the show notes. Thank you so much for watching.